What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel and a brand new company on the market as well, and that company is called EV Technology Group. Now, EV Technology Group is a very interesting company focused on the EV market, but they're focused on accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles, and we're going to get more into that in this video. I hope you guys enjoy this introduction. Of course, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you this EV Technology Group introduction. Let's get straight into the video, and last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time and it helps my videos so very much, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. So the first thing we're going to do is jump over to their website. And I want to mention that we will also be releasing an interview with their CEO just a little bit later on. So make sure to stay tuned for that if you do want more information. So evtgroup.com, accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. So EVT Group was founded in 2021 with the mission of accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles. Feel free to check out their website. There's lots of awesome information on the company, along with an investor relations section here that you can sign up with your email message if you want some more information. But we're going to get into a couple quick press releases and then the investor presentation that goes over everything about the company. So as of December 31st, Blue Sky Energy announces proposed reverse takeover transaction. Now that has to do with their IPO. So take a look at all of that most recent information. We're going to get into the investor deck right now. So EVT, electrifying iconic driving experiences. Who we are. Our vision is to champion the joy of motoring in an electric world. Our mission is to electrify iconic driving experiences. We create value for our shareholders by owning iconic brands, controlling manufacturing, and deriving full value from the total customer experience. Our co-founders, Wouter and Oleary, have respectively grown Defi Technologies from 20 million to 775 million in under a year, and HIVE blockchain to a $1.7 billion listed company. What we do, EVT owns and partners with iconic motoring brands that are going electric. For example, we are the largest shareholder of Moke International. In addition, EVT operates a complementary set of business lines to help these brands go electric. Number 3, where are we headed? The electric vehicle market is reaching an inflection point in its growth trajectory. The industry is projecting a 34% compound annual growth rate. Forward-looking markets have been willing to reward tomorrow's EV leaders, such as Tesla. Obviously, as we know, there's been lots of success in this industry. So our vision and mission. So what is the vision of the company? So their vision is to champion the joy of motoring in an electric world. Our mission is to electrify iconic driving experiences. So let's take a quick look at their, co-founders. We've got Wouter and Oleary. So Wouter, EVT Group CEO and co-founder. Co-founder and president of Defi Technologies, $750+ million market cap founder and chairman at SecFi, analyzed over 500 business models, raising $800 million for the Strategy, World Economic Forum, Global Shaper, University of Cambridge. Then we have Oleary, founder of HIVE Blockchain Technologies, co-founder of Defi Technologies, raised over $800 million in the past 2 years, founder of Latent Capital, founder of Quantum Holdings. So two very interesting guys there we have. EVT owns and partners with iconic motoring brands that are going electric. Iconic car brands face several challenges in going electric that EVT is strategically positioned to solve. What are these problems? Integration across the automotive value chain, expertise in going electric, access to capital. So how is EVT going to help them out here? So EVT creates value for partner brands. EVT will invest in engineering, manufacturing, and supply chain capabilities. EVT has experience in developing leading consumer-facing business. Now, in terms of, experience in going electric, EVT has access to proven technologies such as homologated chassis, substantial experience, and networks of talent. Then access to capital. EVT can realize economies of scale. EVT has deep expertise in the capital markets. As an example, EVT is the largest investor in and strategic partner to Moke International as it develops the Moke Electric for release in summer of 2022. So we've got A, strategic brands and platforms, B, advanced engineering and manufacturing, and C, distribution and experiences. So Moke Electric is a pretty interesting company. Let's take a look here. So Moke is a storied brand made famous in the 1960s. Brigitte Bardot made Moke an icon of 1960s French Riviera, followed by James Bond in Live and Let Die. EV Technology Group's maiden transaction was a deal to invest and acquire 22% of Moke International. And there we have it. EVT has invested into Moke International, which has brought together an industry-leading executive team to release the Moke Electric in 2022. So feel free to pause this investor presentation at any point, but Moke is a pretty interesting company. Here we can see their vehicles, and you can find all their social media and information down below, www.mokeinternational.com, if you want to find out more information about that company. So introducing the 2022 Moke Electric. The Moke Electric is due in summer of 2022. The Moke costs 29,150 GBP, with accessories totaling 3,000 USD per vehicle. The Moke Electric will target 95% sustainable, recyclable material and reduce cradle-to-gate CO2 footprint by up to 75%. 800 Mokes to be sold in 2022, more than half of which are already pre-ordered. Product specifications. It's got a range of 144 kilometers, charge time of 4 hours, top speed of 100 kilometers an hour, which is pretty fast, acceleration 0 to 50 in 4.5 seconds, max power. We've got 33 kilowatts, torque of 130 newton meters, battery lithium ion 84 volt DC nominal, and then a mass of 745 kgs. So EVT's distribution and experience group consists of Moke France, which owns Moke dealership, rights to France, and an exclusive lease in Saint-Tropez. The dealership agreement Moke France has secured the rights to act as a dealer for Moke International in France, making a 40% gross margin on all car sales through its order book of top-tier clients. Saint-Tropez premise. Moke France has secured an exclusive 70-meter storefront lease in a prime Saint-Tropez location, one of the world's dream destinations for luxury beachside motoring. So this definitely makes sense in the right environment. I mean, you're not going to see them driving around in the highways in North America, but there's definitely a market for this very unique EV. And, it seems like, this looks like something that if I was on vacation, I'd love to drive around on, especially in a nice sunny area. So I think these things are pretty cool. So the Moke Experience Opportunity. So Moke France has created a unified customer experience that helps maintain the integrity and premium pricing of the brand. A fleet of 100 Mokes can generate more than $3 million in revenue per year through rental experience and taxi business lines. So that is very interesting. The Moke France model will expand to other destinations worldwide. So they're targeting the Caribbean, Spain, Greece, UAE, Thailand, Brazil, all these touristy destinations. So I think that's pretty cool, guys. Like I said, guys, we will be dropping that interview with Wouter, their CEO and co-founder. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But overall, it's really interesting to see companies in the EV sector targeting specific niches and not just, the overall market like Tesla. And take a look at management once again. I do want to emphasize on management because the people behind this company have had pretty awesome success in the past. So we'll see how it goes for this company. But I do feel like management is a very important part of any successful company, and past success and a good track record is usually very important. So anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.